even look at you. Mr. Speaker, the avant-garde, say what you want to say. The avant-garde of government business is whipping his members. His members are not up to. He is struggling. He knows he doesn't have the numbers to take a decision. So he's eating a humble pie, and he's reported to his majority leader. So the majority leader is asking for adjournment. Mr. Speaker, if they don't have their numbers and they are asking for adjournment, we will yield to it. We will yield. Mr. Speaker, anything the majority leader would want to say after I have spoken, don't take him serious. He can say anything. I won't mind him.